Happy mid-July 2022, everyone. Just wanted to go ahead and give you an update on that rue that I planted early spring of this year. Just wanted to go ahead and see that it was a success. Look how beautiful this is. So she's about 7 to 8 inches, and we are going to repot this plant here just so that it can get enough water and nutrients. This again is my female rue. Look at how beautiful. This is the only one that survived the seedlings that my mother-in-law gave me. So the reason why I am going to go ahead and repot this is so that it can grow out. These bushes, these rue bushes, do grow about that big. So about maybe 3-4 feet tall. So we want to give it ample space and ample nutrients. So we actually want to repot this so that we could have enough water and all of the goodies from the black gold and the compost that I've been making. So once again, this is about, I'm gonna say 7 to 8 inches, and it is pretty wide. It's very, very, very nicely done. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. I did want to go ahead and just shoot my little planters. I did get rid of the other tall ones, and that plant I've been taking care of for my friend Michael, so we'll go ahead and give that back to him. But I just thought it needed a little bit of sunlight. This is again the Vinica vine. I love using the Vinica vine for my pots. It's a Sansevieria, very tall Sansevieria, and just a couple of these orange blooms. Same with this one. It's beautiful. I like it. We haven't had a lot of luck with rain, so I've been out here watering these guys. Very happy with that. Happy planting, but I just wanted to give you an update. Look at this rue. Oh. We'll leave this out here for the winter, and I think it will survive. Most rues do. If I bring it inside, I'm very nervous of it actually not doing what it needs to do. It does prefer to be outdoors. Anyway, happy planting. Enjoy the rest of the summer. You have a wonderful day. God bless and take care.